Just a few years ago, we couldn't even imagine the world we live in today. But here we are. 2025 has been a year of groundbreaking discoveries, pushing the limits of science and technology. And now, we ask the big question: how will this year be remembered in human history? If you're ready, let's embark on a journey through the most astonishing scientific breakthroughs. Is artificial intelligence replacing scientists? It might be too soon to say, but the first step has already been taken. Just a few months ago, scientists announced that AI had discovered a previously unknown protein structure. And the most shocking part? It did it all by itself. So, what does this mean? This discovery could revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry, because now AI might be able to design new drugs instead of humans. And it doesn't stop there. AI has also developed entirely new mathematical formulas that were never seen before. So, could the very concept of a scientist as we know it be changing? We may have to wait for the answer, but one thing is certain. AI is no longer just learning science. It's now doing science. Have we discovered a new world in space? Forget about Earth. Mind-blowing things are happening in space too. The James Webb Telescope has detected water vapor in the atmosphere of a potentially habitable planet. That means, if there's water, there might be life. But here's the craziest part. This planet is only 50 light-years away from Earth. 50 light-years. It may sound far, but on a cosmic scale, that's practically next door. And now the big question on everyone's mind: how do we get there? We don't have an answer today. But who knows? In 10 years, we might be asking this question in a completely different way. Has the era of quantum computers begun? Computers are no longer what they used to be. Google and IBM have unveiled the world's most powerful quantum computer. And this machine can solve problems in 1 minute that would take a regular computer thousands of years. So what does this mean? Encryption systems could be broken. New drugs could be discovered at an unprecedented speed. AI could surpass human intelligence. And perhaps most importantly, this could be one of the greatest revolutions in human history. Is it possible to stop aging? Some breakthroughs in science sound almost too crazy to be real. In experiments on mice, researchers observed that cells rejuvenated and organs reversed by nearly 10 years. Now, if this technology can be applied to humans, could we actually extend our lifespan? It's too early to say for sure. But some experts predict that the first anti-aging drugs could hit the market before 2030, which means children born today might live up to 150 years. Impossible? Maybe. But the fact that we're even having this conversation is already mind-blowing. And what's next? 2025 has been a year of breaking barriers in the world of science. AI is starting to think like a scientist. A new world might have been discovered. Computers are surpassing human intelligence. And stopping aging is no longer just a dream. So, what comes next? Maybe by 2026, the discoveries of this year will seem ordinary. Who knows? But one thing is certain. The world will never be the same again. This is today's word. And now, welcome to the future.